In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Instagram bio to athletes, okay? So if you, for an example, go to your profile and you want to have it where it says athlete below your profile, this is what you do, okay? So you tap on the three lines at the top right-hand corner, then you tap on settings and privacy, then you want to scroll down and you're looking for the option that says account type and tools. Okay, that option right there, tap on that, and what you want to do is switch to professional account, the first option. So tap on that, and this is where you have to set up your professional account. So just continue, and what you need to do now is hit the search button, then type athlete. There it is right at the top, athlete. So I'm going to tap on athlete, and then I want to make sure that you toggle this on right here, which is display on profile. Okay, so toggle that on, then tap on done, and then it says switch to professional account, tap on OK, and that can take up to 30 seconds to actually create your professional account. And then you can choose creator or business. I'll be a creator, and then I'll tap on not now, and then that's it. So I can tap on the X at the top left right there below my name right now. You can see it says athlete right there, and that's it. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.